The art of mewing. Are you ready to unlock your hidden potential and achieve that chiseled jawline? Well, you have come to the right place. But before we start, let's make sure we are all on the same page. Now, you might ask, what exactly is mewing? Well, it's a technique developed by Dr. John Mew to correct the positioning of our tongue and jaws. By maintaining proper tongue posture, it's believed that we can optimize our facial structure and even enhance our overall appearance. So let's get started. Step 1, which is all about correcting our tongue posture. The key is to rest the whole surface of your tongue on the roof of your mouth from the back to the very tip. This might feel a bit strange at first, but trust me, you will get used to it over time. But remember, consistency is key here, so try to maintain this posture throughout the day and even while you sleep. Now, moving on to step 2, which is all about maintaining a good body posture. And no, I don't mean walking around with a book on your head like our grandparents used to tell us to fix our body posture. But good body posture is an essential part of effective mewing, as it helps align our jaws and optimize facial growth. Now the question is, how can we have a good body posture? So right now, just do what I say. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back, chest out, and engage your core muscles. Now, you will instantly notice how this corrects your head position and naturally aligns your spine. But remember, over time, this improved posture will not only improve your mewing results but can also boost your overall confidence. So we should consider it as a win-win. Now, let's talk about step 3, which is facial exercises. Just like any other muscle in our body, facial muscles need regular workouts too. So let's get those cheeks and jawlines into shape with some simple exercises like neck rolls or chin lifts. And don't worry, you don't have to spend hours doing these. Just a few minutes a day and you will be able to notice a difference in no time. It's like having your own personal jawline sculptor. But remember, everybody's journey is unique and results may vary. But with dedication and consistency, you'll definitely see some results. So whether you are someone looking to enhance your natural features or simply curious about this viral trend, mewing might just be the secret sauce you have been looking for. Well, if you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, so it will be win-win for both of us. And if you want to know how you can fix your mental health by using the protocol called Mug Mode, then click on this video. Take care and get aesthetic.